what's up, guys? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, you see I'm on location shooting a movie. You know what I'm saying? I do other things, but I wanted to talk about a quick money-making opportunity that you could take advantage of right now. All right, I'm shooting this video. What's the date today? 21st? No. It's 22nd. It's 22nd. So Monday's the 23rd, September 23rd, 2019. If you're watching this, you got a week to sign up with Acorns. All right, it's an investment, a free investment money saving app that anybody can use in the United States. And if you sign up right now and invest at least $5, that's it, $5, right? For if you refer 3 people, you'll get $150 for every 3 people. All right, so you want to make a quick $150, sign up with Acorns, get your little referral link, and then just get 3 of your friends just to sign up. All they got to do is at least invest like $5. That's it, right, to get started with it. So quick money. Like I said, if you're watching this video and you want to be, obviously you're looking for ways to earn extra cash, make extra money. So I just gave you one, but you got to do it like right now. Click the link in the description, check it out. Usually Acorns do always have some sort of referral bonus that they give people, but right now this week you got $150 for just 3 easy sign-ups. So check that out, and if you're watching it past this, just see what they got. Maybe they got another referral special bonus, whatever. But right now, if you're watching this, you got a week, so get that money. All right, be sure to comment and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.